Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable on-screen home button on Android. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone, and then you simply need to scroll down, and in the bottom you can see special function. Click on that, and from here you need to scroll down and click on accessibility. From here you can see accessibility menu. Click on that, and you need to turn that on from here and click on allow, and you simply need to click on got it. And in settings, if you want to make this increase size of accessibility menu button, so you can increase size as well, but I do not want to do that. And on your home screen you simply need to click on this person, and you can have this all features, so you can choose anything from here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.